Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'm so excited today. I'm unboxing two neon signs from neonsigns.com. They offer custom signs that are really high quality and also at an incredible price. So if you could just head on to the website, you'll see everything that they do. You can actually create your own sign, or you can go to them and tell them, you know, what you want created, and they'll help you to actually design it. Just unboxing the first one. I'm really happy with the way that they've packaged it to make sure that it's actually secure and it arrives you know, in the perfect condition that it was packaged in. I love how fast they were in actually creating it and also sending it, and I actually designed the first one myself, so I put my design skills to good use and I created this one and I sent them a picture, and they actually did a mock-up and sent it back to me, and I approved it, and that was it. So the sign comes with everything that you need. There's a mounting kit, there's a remote, and also the holes are already drilled on it, so you don't have to drill the holes. You probably just need to drill the hole just on the wall just to mount it, but otherwise everything's already been done, and there's also instructions on how to mount it. The mounting process can also be customized, so if you don't want to have holes on your wall, then they can also provide other ways of which you can mount the sign. So you can have it hanging, for example, or you can have it just stuck on the wall. Honestly guys, I'm so impressed at how it turned out. I'm sure you can see that from the design that I made and sent to them, the way that they've implemented it. It looks absolutely, it looks exactly as I designed it. Wow, I absolutely love it, and the colors complement each other really well. Actually, I feel like it looks better than how I thought it was going to look. It looks incredible. I'm so happy with it. I love that it comes with a remote, and I can change the lighting, I can dim it, I can make it brighter. Now I'm unboxing the second sign, which is for the relaunch of my cherry cup. I'm on a mission to provide reusable sanitary products to women in need all over the world. So for every cup that's purchased, one will be donated. I gave them a brief, and they came up with some really good ideas. So this sign, they actually designed it for me. So if you're not sure exactly what you want made, you could just speak to them and they can actually design it for you, which is really good. It looks really good. I'm so happy with it, and also I love the colors on this as well. please head over to neonscience.com and have a look at what they offer, and also if you have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and see you in the next one.